Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. I saw. I. So I've seen on the internet where this young lady is talking about persons attacking her spiritually. And when I really listened to her carefully, I realized that the attacking that she's talking about is actually OBEAH, as we would call it in Jamaica. But in today's world, 2025, 2025, people still really believe in OBEAH. People really sit down and think that there is any such thing as OBEAH where people can really and truly cast some sort of spell on you to make you ill, prevent you from getting a job, prevent you from getting a house, prevent you from being successful in any way, shape, or form. I mean, it is beyond me to really think and that people really think that this thing exists. Now check the levels according to them young people. Make we check the levels now. Everybody want money. Everybody want to have some form of wealth. Jamaicans may I talk about now because I can only most time relate to Jamaicans because I've lived among Jamaicans for years. That's how I born, that's how I grew up. So me know the culture, me know the behavior of the people, so I can talk about that. Now make we check out all of them flag people, wrap up head people, where claim say them are gonna get you out of your OBEAH state, your spell or whatever that people cast on you to keep you down, so to speak. Make we check them first before we go anywhere. You look on them and see if them look prosperous. You look on them most of the time. Which part you see the little flag? And them in a some little shack. And that's where they live. That's where they live. Them not drive no car. You see them on bus. So now you tell me you have lotto in a Jamaica from when? Then if them did so powerful. If they were so powerful, because the same one we say them a cast out, and the same one them cast in, that you must think, young people, who left that to a great grand, we never really know no better. In a today's world, young people, think about it. If I am going to come to you for prosperity, why don't you look prosperous? You have to look prosperous. You have to look prosperous. If me ever come to you for prosperity, there is no way you're supposed to live behind one little zinc up fence. You're not supposed to live this. You're supposed to be driving a car and you're supposed to be driving the latest model too. Because if you so great, for somebody I go cast spell upon me, block that. If you so great, for make me get one job. If you so great, for make me get position. If you so great, for make me get all kind of wealth. How the hell you not wealthy? How on God's earth you're not wealthy and you creep out every dollar out of my hand? Every cent out. Me hear one story, you know. About one man, let's say. And one guy will go to prison, come back, contact it, because they have enough time in a prison to sit down and laugh and talk and go over where they do. And the same man we claim him an OBEAH man. One woman come to him, one higgler, him say, one store. And the lady came, and of course she believed that Duppy is on her. And the man go to the woman's house and he see a nice double door fridge and he say, he want the fridge there. So what he do? You hear when tell her say? In there so them put the Duppy in her fridge. So what she do? Take it out, give it to him. Them are con artists. They are con artists. So persons with mental problems. A lot of them, they're accusers. They will accuse you that you're putting something in their food to drink. Then will accuse you, say you want to take away this from them. Is a mental problem. And these people who are going around talking about people obeying them just need to just take the medication. Take your medication and that will treat it, that will keep away all these signs and these bizarre thinking and behavior. Take your medication and that will keep away the bizarre thinking and behavior. So people sit down and really believe when persons talk about these things and to know that persons actually believe these things. Talk about these things that people are OBEAH them. Look on the OBEAH man them. Look how they look shabby. Look how Lotto let go in Jamaica. How much OBEAH man don't see win Lotto? You don't know about none? Them are the first one. Nobody in Jamaica couldn't win the Lotto if OBEAH man was so great because them and them family, them picnic and everybody for them, and them would have control it. So if you are so great, why am I not seeing great things happening to you? Me come to you for fix my car. And when me look on your car park up for years and years and can't fix. And how you gonna fix my car? How are you gonna fix my car? You can't fix my car if you can't fix for you. You can't fix my car if you can't fix yours. So young people, no stop it, man. Stop believing this foolishness about OBEAH. Which part of God's earth nobody can stop you from prosper? Where? How? How them are gonna do it? And most of the time we sit down, the people them who are taught these things, they're crazy. A person with mental illness will never acknowledge that they have it. Because a thief is not going to come and tell you say he's a thief. A thief is not going to tell you that he's a thief. Look how much crime in Jamaica and everybody where they catch, they never do nothing yet. And look on crime. Look at crime. And every God's soul where they catch. Never thief yet. I lie them, I tell me. I saw it go. They will tell you that you are crazy. And you listen to them, come on the internet, I tell you foolishness about people, I hold them down and every time them for elevate somebody. And you sit down and listen to that and feel that something like that really happens. When all the person needed to do is just to go to the doctor. Get your medication and stay on it. Because this is what happened. They will go to the doctor. They will get treatment, and the minute they come out, them stop taking the medication. Then they must start hear all kind of voices and see all kind of things and all kind of something happen to them. If you have high blood pressure, check your levels again according to them, boy and girl. If you have high blood pressure and you go to doctor, which a lot of people really do, you have high blood pressure, you go to the doctor, you get your medication. The antihypertensive medication, and you don't take it. Sit down there and take it and see if you now get a stroke. It is the same thing with mental illness. Not take your medication and see if you're not going to fall right back. You can't sleep, you can't eat, you're up and down, you do all manner of it because you're not taking your medication. People, OBEAH, anytime, for me, Anytime one OBEAH man can show me say him know the 5 number them, and every time Lato put out them run, him win it, or him family win it, then him can chat to me. But apart from that, him can't talk to me, because that's a simple something for him do. If him can cast out, according to him a cast out demon out of you, him a go block whoever cast the job stopping. He can block it. He can stop you from police come catch you. You're old criminal, and them gone with OBEAH man have a ring, have a kerchief in a pocket, have a chain round neck, so them a look guard. Well, me no say nothing no go so. Bye.